Hello, everyone. My name is Quentin, and I'm here to talk with you all about the interactive whiteboard. So let's get started. First of all, what is the interactive whiteboard? Well, clearly, as you can see, it's electronic, no more risking your markers hands-on. But what can you really do with it? Um, well, it's simple. It's very easy to use because you have this big wall that you can go and touch and adjust at your will. And it has various settings that you can fiddle with in order to get your preferred output to whoever you're outputting to or whatever you're outputting to. There are very simple tools on there, and it's completely different from using a regular type of whiteboard because you don't have to use necessarily markers. There are electronic markers that you can use on the whiteboard, but but you don't necessarily need to use them. You can just click a button and start writing with your hand or whatever. But it's very simple to use compared to using a whiteboard, whereas on the electronic interactive smartboard, you can have settings on to where there are lines that you can use to write, write straight and so forth. Um, Using an interactive whiteboard, it makes interaction between student, classroom, and work a little bit more different because now you can have interaction computer computer to person. There's no there's no projector where it flashes on there and when you ask the student to do something or they can't do it because they can only touch a whiteboard. But now with the interactive whiteboard, if you want the student to write something or make adjustments, then it's very simple to go up to the board, click or write this, and you can tell them how they're wrong or not, and the rest of the class can enjoy that and experience that as well. So yes, it's very simple, and like I said, it's easy to use. And it has its ups and its downs. It has its advantages, as you can see here. Uh, like I said, the smart board lets the human, or lets the student in this case, interact with the board, so they can adjust the settings and maybe something's too high up and they can bring it down for them. Something's not quite right, so they can change what it is right there. They don't have to go all the way to a computer, or they don't have to print out something and make it look different on the paper before they put it onto a projector to display it. They can simply walk up to the board and do it. They can drag things. They can uh, interact with other screens. They don't have to, go and swap out this and press all these other buttons. They can just walk up to the board, press a button, and bam, voila, you got a new screen, or you're on the internet, or so on. So very simple. As you can see here, you see students interacting with the whiteboard, and what happens is, as I said, when you interact, you can put in your numbers however you want to. If you're doing math, you can just walk up to the board and you can start writing. And it's smart. It's a smart board. So, once you write something in, if you have the technology, the correct software, it can automatically understand what you wrote and transform it into a typed font. Uh, is it no erasers and very simple to use. So that's all the interactive whiteboard is about.